Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Right here I have the Vivo NEX 3, the latest smartphone from Vivo. So this is a brand new unit. Let me do an unboxing. It will be very fast one because I think you have seen enough unboxing to know what's inside. So it's a brand new set. The seal is still intact. So open up the seal, both sides. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, nice packaging. So you can see that there's a cover over here. Let me open up the cover. And you can see that this is the main unit, which is the NEX 3, the Vivo NEX 3. I'll show it later, but right now over here you can see that this is the charging brick, quite a big one in fact. This is the earpiece. This is the earpiece. Let me show you in clear detail. Yeah, this is the earpiece. This is a earpiece, and this is the brick, the charging brick. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, underneath this cover is, they actually provided a cover for the NEX 3, which is good because I think the waterfall display is going to cause a bit of concern because it's very glassy. I don't know whether you have these ones or not, but it's very it has a lot of glass, and little protection is needed. And over here you can see that it has the pin, some instructions, and the cable. So this USB-C cable, if I'm not wrong. I'm not going to open it because I have enough USB-C cable at home. So okay, let me see. Yeah, it's a USB-C cable. So enough of this box. Let me show you the main star of this unboxing. There's this Vivo NEX 3. So a very nice design, and full glass, if I'm not wrong. It's a full glass. And also over here you can see that it has a, I'm not sure whether you can see or not. Let me show you. Yeah, okay, over here you can see that it has a, not say a protruding, it has a mechanism over here. This is the selfie camera. So once you activate the selfie camera, it will rise out and then you'll take a picture. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, let me power on now. And as you maybe you already know, there's no buttons at all. Zero button. Everything is touch. They call it the touch sense. So over here you can see, I don't know whether you can see or not. Over here it has no button but a rough surface over here. There's a power button, power touch sense area. So let me power on. Yes, it's power on right now. Okay, set up my phone. Okay, I'll stop here right now because it takes some time to set up this phone. But anyway, this is the unboxing and it's a very short one. Hope you like it.